with the sun and me hear the hilltop. River narrow, she just know how to walk. Tree them a teach her roots deep in a fear. Leave for one scripture where time can't replace. If your heart get muddy, let the rain wash through. Earth keep a reason for every little move. Hear me now, brethren, feel how the wise breeze blow. Slow is a medicine, plenty people never know. Every stone in the road, it a come for show. How the soul gets strong when the fasting go. Nature a call ya here. Nature a call ya here. Live simple, live clean, live clear. Nature a call ya here. Make your spirit steady. The mango drop when the time says so. Me see the tide return, never too proud fi grow. Crowd man a chase glitter, but it fading on. Sun still a bless the poor piece of land. So me plant good thought in a hard dry place. Let love be the water, let truth be the grace. Hear me now, sister, no need fi run so fast. What fi real it's here, what fi shallow can't last. Every breath you take, it a gift, not last. Every load where you carry, give it over to the mass. Nature a call ya here. Nature a call ya here. Live simple, live clean, live clear. Nature a call ya here. Make your spirit steady. Make your spirit steady. When the mind get noisy, go sit by the ground. Put your palm on the earth, let the truth come down. No show, no chain cannot shine the seed. One small act of care can feed a whole breed. So walk with humility, talk with fire, and build your tomorrow from what you admire. Hey! Nature a call ya here. Nature a call ya here. Live simple, live clean, live clear. Nature a call ya here. Make your spirit steady. Jah know the mountain no beg for the eye. It just stand tall under every sky. So when life get rough and the road get cold, listen to the call and let your soul unfold. Me rise with the sun and me hear the hilltop. River narrow, she just know how to walk. Tree them a teach her roots deep in a faith. Leave for one scripture where time can't replace. If your heart get muddy, let the rain wash through. Earth keep a reason for every little move. Hear me now, brethren, feel how the wise breeze blow. Slow is a medicine, plenty people never know. Every stone in the road, it a come for show. How the soul gets strong when the fasting go. Nature a call ya here. Nature a call ya here. Live simple, live clean, live clear. Nature a call ya here. Make your spirit steady. Make your spirit steady. Me see the mango drop when the time says so. Me see the tide return, never too proud fi grow. Crowd man a chase glitter, but it's fading a hand. Sun still a bless the poor piece of land. So me plant good thought in a hard dry place. Let love be the water, let truth be the grace. Hear me now, sister, no need fi run so fast. What fi real it stay, what fi shallow can't last. Every breath you take, it a gift not last. Every load where you carry, give it over to the mass. Nature a call ya here. Nature a call ya here. Live simple, live clean, live clear. spirit steady. When the mind get noisy, go sit by the ground. Put your palm on the earth, let the truth come down. No throne, no chain can no shine the seed. One small act of care can feed a whole breed. So walk with humility, talk with fire, and build your tomorrow from what you admire. Nature a call ya here. Nature a call ya here. Live simple, live clean, live clear. Nature a call ya here. Make your spirit steady. I know the mountain no beg fi be high. It just stand tall under every sky. So when life get rough and the road get cold, listen to the call and let your soul unfold. Sun come up on the zinc fence line. Me give thanks for the breath, me give thanks for the time. I roots in a me heart, yes me live by design. Catch wisdom like rain in a dry land. Sign Babylon, one rush, but me move slow. Plant good seed, watch the real ones grow. Every little step got a lesson for sure. If you know yourself, then you already know. So me keep it firm, keep it clean. Live me life in a the in-between. Mindset high, feet on ground. Hear the truth when the weak talk loud. Irie roots, keep me strong. Irie roots, all day long. Take me out, give me some. Irie roots, carry me high. Irie roots, run deep. Irie roots, let me keep. Irie roots, all me fire. Irie roots, lift me higher. Oh, no need for beg. What was already bread? Food on me plate and a word in a me head. One love, one road, one sun overhead. Still me wake up inspired by the hills and the bread. When the night get cold and the pocket get thin, me remember say the light live within. Nuff them talk big, but them spirit too dim. Truth like river always carving within. So me keep it firm, keep it clean. Live me life in a the in-between. Mindset high, feet on ground. Hear the truth when the weak talk loud. Irie roots, keep me strong. Irie roots, all day long. Take me out, give me song. Irie roots, carry me on. Irie roots, run deep. Irie roots, let me keep all me faith, all me fire. Irie roots, lift me higher. Oh, when you get weak, breathe in the grace. Every scar of a holy place. Turn your face to the rising day and let the heavy feelings melt away. No want chase cloud, me want plant tree. No want fake shine, me want just be free. From the drum of the earth to the drum of the bone. Irie roots, lead me all the way home. Irie roots, keep me strong. Irie roots, all day long. Take me out, give me some. Irie roots, carry me on. Irie roots, run deep. Irie roots, let me keep all me faith, all me fire. Irie roots, lift me higher. rocking steady. Feel it in your soul already. Words like fire burning bright, guiding us through dark of night. Them old tunes speak the truth. Reggae classics, deep, deep, deep. Secrets that the ancients keep. Reggae classics, motivation for the whole entire nation. Reggae classics. No soft talk, no easy road. Lifting up a heavy load. Chant down Babylon, you hear. Wash away all doubt and fear. From the roots our wisdom flow. Plant it deep and let it grow. Hands up high and hearts that know. We move slow, but still we glow. Reggae classics, deep, deep, deep. Secrets that the ancients keep. Reggae classics, motivation for the whole entire nation. Reggae classics. The truth. Reggae classics, deep, deep, deep. Secrets that the ancients keep. Reggae classics, motivation for the whole entire nation. Reggae classics, no soft talk, no easy road. Lifting up a heavy load. Chant down Babylon, you hear. Wash away all doubt and fear. From the roots our wisdom flow. Plant it deep and let it grow. Hands up high and hearts that know. We move slow, but still we glow. Reggae classics, deep, deep, deep. Secrets that the ancients keep. Reggae classics, motivation for the whole entire nation. Reggae classics. Concrete jungle got you down low. Spirit sinking slow, slow. Babylon walls them high, high. But your light still in the sky. Roots are calling, hear the drum beat. Roots are calling, move your feet. Roots are calling, strong and true. Roots are calling for me and you. Yeah. No mind the suffering, no mind the pain. Rise up youth, rise up again. Ancestors whispering ancient lore. Open your heart and want some more. hear the drum beat. Roots are calling, move your feet. Roots are calling, strong and true. Roots are calling for me and you. One love, one heart, one destiny. From the mountains to the deep blue sea, fire burning bright. Na 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 na. Hey. Ya da 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 da. Roots in a me chest like iron inside. Bread on me bun for rise, not fit tile and spoil. When the road get rough, me nah lose the tread. One hand to the sky, one foot in a bird. Babylon chat plenty, but them words fall flat. Me learn from the storm and me live from that. Every bruise turn gold, every tear teach peace. Jah put fire in a belly, calm in a feel. So me step slow, head high, soul bright. Life try bend me, me still stand right. Dub roots calling, call me name, call me name. Dub roots calling, through the joy and the pain. Dub roots calling, me nah bend, me nah break. Dub roots calling, rise up, give thanks away. Hungry in a the lane, tell him hold on firm even through this train. No envy, no wickedness, that road dead. Cold plant good in a heart, watch it turn to gold. If the night get long and the mind get thin, breathe and step forward, let the light come in. Every stone in the path got a reason seen. Even rough cut truth still can keep you clean. So me step slow, head high, soul bright. Try bend me, me still stand right. Dub roots calling, call me name, call me name. Dub roots calling, to the joy and the pain. Dub roots calling, me nah bend, me nah break. Dub roots calling, rise up, give thanks away. One low, one mind, one load. Carry the fire boat, light in the load. When you lose your way, hear that inside voice. Roots keep whispering, live good, make choice. Give thanks away, yeah, brethren. Roots deep, heart free. Give thanks for the lesson. Jah moving me. Jungle got me feeling blue. Babylon system always fighting through, but a mystic rhythm starts to call from the ancient roots, standing proud and tall. Hear the drum beat pull so strong, where I truly belong. Mystic rhythm calling out my name. sunrise brings a brand new day. Chains of mental slavery fade away.